Welcome to my channel. In today's lecture session, we are going to discuss two important topics from your exam point of view. The first one is the block diagram of the computer system, which shows how the computer system works. And second is the classification of computers. So for simple and precise lecture sessions, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Computer, as we know, is an electronic device through which we get the desired output by providing it with input. So the computer carries out the processing of the data. We have to give set of instructions to the computer, and based on these instructions or the programs, computer perform various functions. These are the essential units of the computer system. The input unit is used for feeding data or the instructions to the computer. Various input devices like mouse, keyboard, mic are used to give instructions to the computer. Next is the CPU, which is the central processing unit, which is also known as the brain of the computer. So here the processing and execution of programs or data takes place. It controls all the components of the computer system. It has the arithmetic logic unit, that is ALU, the control unit CU and memory units. ALU perform all the execution and processing functions. The control unit controls the computer related activities, whereas the memory unit is a storage unit used to store data and various instructions. The output unit provides the desired output to the user. Monitor, printers, speakers, and other output devices are used to get output. Computer has three main components, or we call it units. These are the input unit, the central processing unit, that is CPU, and the output unit. This block diagram shows how computer works. The data is entered through the input unit with the help of input devices. The control unit of the CPU sends this data to the memory unit for temporary storage. The temporary data is then sent to arithmetic logic unit, that is ALU, for processing. The processed data is again sent to memory for permanent storage. The processed data is then also sent to the output unit for getting a desired output through the help of various output devices. So this is how the modern day computer system works. We can classify computers on the basis of type, size and purpose as shown in this figure. So we will discuss these types in complete detail. So based on type, the computers can be analog, digital and hybrid. The analog computer accepts the data in the form of voltage or current signals and then convert them to numeric variables. These are used to measure speed, pressure, temperature. Speedometer, thermometer are some of the analog computers. In case of digital computers, the computer accepts data in the form of binary digits or bits, where 1 represent high and 0 represent the low signals. Then further, these can be classified into general purpose digital computers that are used in our homes, or we call it the personal computers. Whereas the special purpose digital computers are used for specialized applications, like in case of satellite communications, weapon designing and weather forecasting. Next are the hybrid computers, which are the combination of the analog and the digital computers. And these are mostly used in artificial intelligence for making robots and in hospitals, intensive care units. Then based on size, there are microcomputers which we commonly use at our homes. So these are single user computers, also known as the personal computers. The mini computers sports multi-user interface. So these are more expensive than the microcomputers. and are mostly used in banks and industries. These mini computers are capable of supporting 100 users at one time. Then there are the mainframe computers, which are very powerful, which supports more than 100 users in time sharing mode. So these are used in large organizations to maintain and analyze huge data. Next type are the supercomputers, which are capable of executing multi-million instructions per second. These computers are very powerful and most expensive and complex system. These are mostly used in defense sector, nuclear energy research and satellite operations. Apart from these, there are laptops and handheld computers that can be carried while traveling, and even they work without power connection. So these are also known as the portable computers. Similarly, based on the purpose, computers can be classified as the general purpose computers that are used to perform day to day activities at our homes and in various business organizations. While the special purpose computers are mostly used in satellite control systems, the defense systems, and to prepare other specific tasks or in case of artificial intelligence.